aka known as the Great One. Anyway, hey, we're working on Hemilife's 392 right here. It's a beautiful blue. You guys know who Hemilife is. Hemilife 44. If you're not following, you're wrong. But right now we're gonna do something special to the car just to get his audio as loud as possible. The clarity of his audio is gonna be perfect, and he deserves it, man, because he's putting out good content, and he's worked hard. So we're gonna be there for him in the end to help him get his quality of music. He wants to sound like me, so we're gonna get him sound like me. Turbo laughing.
All right, y'all. So it's Turbo TV now. We are taking over J. Cruz, aka known as AUDIOZONE channel. This is our channel today. He's gone, so whatever. We just stole the camera and we decided to record. But as Tony told y'all, he's here too. All right. So we are actually about to fix Hemilife 44's problem.
I'm almost as light skinned as him. Let's go.
At all. He took his car to another shop, which is a no-no.
N-O.
And now we gotta fix it. It's not an issue. It's our brother. We love him. We gonna take care of him, get him right.
I mean, you always got that one that makes mistakes in the family.
And now he's regretting it.
He's regretting it hard, man. So it's crazy.
I'm gonna go through and show y'all his system.
Y'all should have seen how he walked in the shop. He was sad. He was all emotional. I like, bro, don't act like Turbo. Sit out. And
yeah, I don't get none of that part. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the car now. I'm not gonna keep on dealing with Tony. So as y'all seen before, Hemilife has I think he got Hectics, right? He got Hectics in. He got 212 Hectics in a box that he got made. He is running that on, I believe, a Hyphonics. There's his epicenter. Yes, he has a Hyphonics amp. Brutus edition is epic. But his car's not getting full potential. So we are here to change all of that. We are going to make sure that it gets full potential now. So we are changing his module for his car. He's getting a new module put in his car so the clarity of the car can actually work instead of being distorted, clipping, cutting out, all that good stuff. So this is what we're running with. And once we start installing, I'll be back.
Alright, Cruise on Hemilife 44's car. We're going to show you what he had and what we're doing. He had actually some Infinity 6x9s installed there, as you can tell. But this is what we wanted to see the most. Was behind the radio, there's a module. They did not use a module, as you could tell there, to do this install. So, long story short now, what we have to do is that we're going to install the module to be able to get the sound that we want to get to add our thing. So the guy can start installing the module, rip off the speakers, getting this installed. Stay tuned if we get our Hemilife car. So look at the module that we use is the AP4-CH AP4-CH41. What this is going to allow us to do is be able to remove the factory amplifier from the vehicle and use our aftermarket amplifiers and get a clean digital signal that's not going to have no crossovers built in from the amplifier. So it'd be all high pass, sub will be subwoofer sound, and we'll be able to get everything directly to our amplifiers to be able to complete the install and make everything sound crisp and beautiful. So right now, Gordon's in the process of installing the module. You got to put it in, program it, start putting the 4 speakers in, start putting the 4 tweeters in, get everything situated, and have it going in a few minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so Hemilife 44's car, they installed the LC7. I mean, that's the way some people do it, man, but it's really, in my opinion, not the right way. What this does, this gets all your factory signals from the inputs, converts to the RCAs, and it does what they call summing. Summing's okay, man, but the reality is, what we're about to do is a lot better. It gets a digital signal from the radio and eliminate all the crossovers from the car and gives us a fresh signal we're going to install. He's going to definitely notice a big difference when we get done with Hemilife 44's car. It's going to be a big dramatic difference. So I'm going to have the guys assemble all the stuff they installed and then start the whole new install of everything to get a smile on Hemilife's face when he gets his car back. Stay tuned is all I can say, y'all. Alrighty, Cruise, so now giving y'all an update of what's going on. We got the module installed already. They ran all the new RCAs. You can see the module right there. They're getting all that done. But long story short, they already got the tweeters in the dash, right? Tweeters in the dash. The tweeters over here also done. They already installed there. As you can see, our new Pro Audios. And they got them in the dash. Now they're going to change those speakers out and the ones in the rear deck. And what you see is all Nemesis audio. We're doing the Pro Audio Series 6x9s from Nemesis Audio. So it's going to be a Pro Audio series that's going to allow him to have a lot of clear, a lot. He should have a lot of clear vocals to what he's used to, and then I'm going to go to tweak it and get it all situated. But Hemilife, see if you enjoy this. Cruise crew, we just finished turning on Mr. Hemilife's car back here, and I'm only to tell you that it's crisp and clean with no caffeine. It counts amazingly beautiful. Hopefully he's excited when he picks up his vehicle. It's been a great big build. We've been there on this car for over 6 hours removing and reinstalling stuff. But at this point in time, the sound is done. I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna retune the car. And we should be ready to go, man. So stay tuned if we get Hemilife 44 from Dallas, Texas. Car ready and situated, man. And then get a reaction when he picks it up in a few. So I'm gonna go on round 2 of trying to prank Hemilife. I'm gonna call him and tell him that his vehicle was involved in an accident. The dump truck that was moving the garbage backed into his vehicle that parked in the fire lane. And now they want to tow the vehicle away because it was parked in the fire lane. And we can't get anything about the thing. I'm gonna have Officer Brown here go ahead and do this prank. So they call him. He just called me. Let's call him real quick. See if we get this done. Let's see if he falls for it this time. Hemilife, we got a little problem, puppy. The cops, yeah, I don't even want to tell you. The cops were here. The vehicle, when I was calling you before, because the vehicle was been done, and they parked it on the fire lane. And the garbage guy who picks up the garbage from here. In fact, I would like to talk to the officer. Officer, this is the owner of the car. His name, we know him Hemilife. His name is Sebastian.
Sebastian? Hello.
He actually owns the car.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Officer Brown. I'm actually Senior Officer Brown with Urban Police Department. Here's the issue. The vehicle was parked in the fire lane. There is damage to both vehicles. I'm going to have to tow yours to our yard, and the reason why is because we do have to take pictures and we have to get all of our information sorted out in order to complete our police report. And this also goes to the text.file. So if you're able to, can you meet up with me so we can get some of this paperwork done? I'm sorry, one more time. Sorry.
It wasn't his fault.
I said, his voice sound.
Okay, well, we'll be here for the next 10 minutes. I think we're going to wrap it up here shortly. If you can be here, we'll assist you. Okay, I'm going to leave the report number and my phone number here with Jeffrey, right? Okay, so I'm going to leave it here with you, and you guys can coordinate with the department to get the report number.
Where's the impact? Well, I'll get the information for this.
Okay.
I'll see you in a few, Manny. I'll see you. I don't know if it went too well.
I don't know.
He went from a high-pitched voice to Officer Brown.
No, you know what I'm saying? I gotta give him that you know what I'm saying? And I think he understood that. Is that him calling?
See.
What's the number? No, that's not it.
All right, well, stay tuned. Him and I got to pick up his vehicle.
Yeah, stay tuned. I'll make sure.
All right, now we're back with Joshua Crew of the Nasty Rideout Boys, and he's been complaining about some things that's taking place on the job. He has a coworker who is Hispanic, correct?
Oh, what up? Maria?
Yeah. He's shorter than 5'7".
It's like 4'7".
He's 3'7". Thing is that we've gotten complaints from Joshua that his coworker has been sexually harassing him, and
He runs up and puts his nipples on me like that.
he runs up and puts his nipples. Whoa. So, is it fair to say, Joshua, that you do have a very hostile work environment?
Yes.
So, have you talked to the immediate supervisors and managers to see if you can resolve the issue? He's looking for a piece of evidence right now which actually states and shows that Maria, known as Gordo, 5'1", sexually assaults him at work, and we're waiting for that to pop up. So after these messages, we'll be back with the evidence that Gordo is is here. Coming to you live. It's Raw. World Star. Channel 5 News. This right here says that Gordo touches him right there. So that means a lot. When a man is being touched by another man, anyway, back to what I was doing. I'm in the building with my boy, Hemilife 4-CH41. This is my player partner for real, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all out there, y'all want, hey, y'all want some dance battles? You know what I'm saying? Comedian. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hi, Officer Brown.
All right, man, back to reality, man. You know that's a clown shop. Everybody's tired for the end of the day. But we got the car ready for Hemilife 44. He's over here in the building, picking up his baby, and we're about to find out exactly what his response is going to be. So, Hemi, I'm going to give you the keys. I want you to go turn her on, play with her a minute, and then give everybody a camera response of what's going on with the life of Hemi 44's Charger. Stay tuned. So he just put on his car, man, and he's about to do his demo. So he can put some non-copyright music, as he says, and see what's going on, man. So now, on the video, you're going to see what we got to do. On the video, you're going to get to see what we did to it. We got all 4 vocals done. We got 4 tweeters done. We upped your bass. Now you got more bass than you did before. We put the module behind the radio, so now you don't have that LC7 garbage that had in there before. Everything's all digital. You're all pretty much ready to go. That's pretty much the suggestions for now. There's obviously a lot more that we can do, but we want to give you a touch of it today. I mean, it's a lot different than what it was. But long story short, it's something you got to play with. I got everything on your radio flat, so now you have to deal with your equalizer and make sure that you want to tune it to where you want to. You should have no issue with that at all either. Your batteries are holding up, voltage is holding up, so you're all good. But once you get into playing with that, you'll get to see a little bit more of exactly where you're going to be at, man. So that's pretty much what it is. Tell the camera, what's your reaction?
Hey, like I told y'all before, well, I told my people before I got here, man, I already knew that it was gonna sound pretty good because I heard his car. I heard a lot of cars he did. You know what I mean? So I like it. I love it. I hadn't even played with my this right here obviously gonna make a big difference.
You're gonna play with it, you're gonna adjust like you like to. The only thing that we can do to make it even more adjustable than what the factory does is actually throw a full DSP processor. Rockford Fosgate makes one, they're on back order right now. They have another one that's made by Axis, which is okay, it's not a bad unit, it does its job, but my favorite is the Rockford Fosgate DSR1. They're on back order right now. But that's the only thing that will probably add to this, because then it'll allow you to do a little bit more separation. We can actually throw another amplifier in the vehicle and separate the tweeters from the mid-ranges from the bass, and then you could actually tune everything independent, so you don't have to. So right now it's kind of summing everything up. Once it's separated, you can adjust everything up, but you know, from where you were to where you at, like a big difference, and it could just get better from there. So, you know, I just hope you enjoy, have fun, don't catch a fire, your car's not trashed, and everything's good to go, man. So he can be rolling out of here now. We're leaving the shop now, man. I want to thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.